Hello Lefty wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. So today I'm going to be continuing the series that I had kind of dropped off a while ago, but it's the maintenance series, so you should be familiar with it. Basically, I'll be writing the uppercase alphabet, the lowercase alphabet, and the numbers. I plan on doing this on a monthly basis, keeping it slow and steady, not too overwhelming, but this way you can practice a little bit with a regular kind of thing. So I'll go ahead and start by writing the month, which is February. And I guess, one thing about this is that since I am writing on this blank piece of paper, it's a little bit more difficult. So, all right, I'll go ahead and start with the uppercase alphabet. And as I do this, so it's the end or towards the end of February, but I think I want these to be done at the beginning of each month. So I'll probably have the March one out pretty soon, just so that I can start this new schedule of maintenance videos. All right, and I know my right hand might look a little bit weird in its current position, but I need to stabilize this paper so that it doesn't kind of travel with the pen. All right, now I'll go ahead and write the lowercase alphabet. And it's coming along pretty nicely. It feels pretty natural right now, so I'm happy for that. Yeah, just getting these straight lines is probably the most important part. Getting the straight lines and then the nice curves, because you can still see some of the shakiness with these letters. It's not like a fluid motion quite. So just practicing this little by little will hopefully help get rid of those shaky kind of lines and curves. All right, and finishing up now, and I think I'll go ahead and write 10 just so that I practice that 0 or O again. So again, this is going to be a short video, and all the maintenance videos are probably going to be pretty short, just so that we stay on track and just do a little bit of practice, if not every week, at least once a month. So that's all for today. Again, maintenance video for March is going to be coming out soon, but until next time, alrighty, goodbye.